We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this museum located in Paris, known in France as Le Louvre. Le Louvre is how you say it in French. We'll be looking at how to say more interesting and often confusing French names too, so make sure to stay tuned. This is in fact the largest museum in the world, I believe. How do you say it in English? Well, because in French it is said as Louvre, you could say it in English as Louvre, Louvre, if you cannot pronounce the French R. Louvre from French, Louvre. And now you know. More videos here on how to pronounce more interesting names that many mispronounce. Everybody knows them, but not many get them correctly. You're well after watching those. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.